Hi guys, it's Jazz from Justy Slime. Thanks for tuning in. So today I thought I'd do a slime colouring video. I was inspired by black and white, the scary colours of Halloween. So I thought I'd do a bunch of makeup and nail polish to colour the slime. Please hit that like button if you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So, let's get colouring. At the base of these bowls, I've just got some plain clear slime. So I start with some black face paint. Some of the face paint I was using for Halloween costumes for my little girls. And then some white face paint. This is just some white water-based paint. And some black water-based paint. I like adding paint to slime because it gives it a really vibrant colour. This is some lip gloss. Another lip gloss. This one's really pearly. It was really pretty. You can't really see the pearliness here, but you will when the slime is mixed. Some white nail polish. Some glitter nail polish. You can't see it very well because it's clear, but it was still very pretty. Some black nail polish. This is a glitter black nail polish, but you can't really see the glitter on the video. This is a duo nail polish stick. So on one end you've got the glitter, and in this glitter you've got a bit of red, green and black. And on the other end is the black base. This is just another nail polish duo stick, and I just wanted to add a little bit more glitter. This one has a little bit more red in it. It's really pretty. Another lip gloss, very pearly again. Didn't want to come out at first, but came out a bit in the end. Glitter. You've got to have glitter. I love this one. It has a little bit of pink through it, which is really pretty. And black glitter. Some pearly white eye gel. Some pearly white eyeshadow. I really enjoy breaking up eyeshadow. Some charcoal grey eyeshadow. This one was super easy to break up, as you can see there. I barely used any effort to get it out. Using eyeshadow is really, really good to colour slime. It's almost like using pigment as well. And of course you can never have too much eyeshadow, so let's add a bit more. This one's slightly silver in colour, but I thought it wouldn't be too bad just to add a bit of shimmer to the white slime. And another white eyeshadow. Again, this one's really, really easy to break up. Crush it up so it's easier to mix into the slime later. And now some charcoal grey eyeshadow, a bit more just to add a bit more dark colour to the black slime. This one seems a little bit harder to break up. Now time for this shade eye palette. Lots of glitter, and it's actually like eyeshadow gel, if that's the name for it. So the consistency is like lip balm, but it just goes on your eyes like eyeshadow. So I thought I'd add the darker grey colours to the black slime. And then the lighter silver and white ones to the white slime. Oops, there you go. These were really, really soft to get out, as you can tell. It's actually quite fun. One more for the black slime. Now let's mix. This is where all the fun begins. What I do here is I try to fold over the slime onto itself so that all of the makeup and nail polish can stay inside the slime. Otherwise it ends up spilling everywhere and it's really, really hard to mix. And now you just mix it through. You have to be a bit gentle at first just to make sure that everything sticks. You can kind of see a bit of the pearly colouring come through this white slime, which is really, really pretty. You can see a little bit of the glitter at the bottom there. Now mix. This one's actually come together really, really well. Look how pearly it is. So, so pretty. And I guess, you know, you just keep playing with it until you're happy with the colouring and the consistency of the slime. So, so soft and smooth and fluffy. Now the black slime. Again, I just folded the slime over and on top of itself. But I have to say, when you do a black colour mixing slime, it gets super, super dirty. That black sticks all over your hands, and it takes a lot of effort to try to get it off. Bit of the eyeshadows come out there. And again, you just gently massage it in so that it all combines. It's still fun. It's really, really glossy, as you can see. I love doing colour mixing slime videos. I must say they're the best videos that I do. It's just amazing how you combine all little bits and pieces together and then the colour that it ends up being in the end. It's a nice surprise. Just folding it in. Oh my gosh, look at my fingers. Yuck. Massage it in. Just have lots of fun with it. There's no right or wrong. Just mix. Now let's mix the two together. When you swirl two colours together, it's super pretty. But the trick is to try to get a really nice swirl. Fold it in so it's a little easier to handle. I love that white. It's so pearly, it's so pretty. Alright, let's try a swirl. Whoa! That's pretty. And so you can just keep mixing it through. Slowly the two colours will combine. I wonder what it'll end up looking like in the end. Wow, you can see the white almost disappearing here. It's almost becoming like a dark grey or a pearly black. There you go. Completely combined now. It's like a charcoal grey, almost. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you all next time. Thank you.